Hi there, welcome to this maths lesson, and this is on sharing ratios. So lots of things in different life are shared in ratios. Money is shared, liquids are mixed, and teams are assigned using ratios. Drawing a diagram to represent the ratio can make these tasks easier if you want to. So for example, James and Helen get pocket money in the ratio of 3 to 5. So now you can see that James's name comes first, Helen's name comes second. And they get pocket money in the ratio 3 to 5. So that means that the first number 3 will correspond to the first name, which is James, and the second number 5 will correspond to Helen because she's second on this particular list. The total amount of pocket money they are given is £24 in total. How much money do they each get? Well, the amount is divided into 8 equal parts. Why? Because 3 add 5 becomes 8. You can see that here. You can also draw a rectangle with 8 sections and divide it in the ratio 3 to 5. So labeling the 2 parts with the names James and Helen. So there we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different parts. And because we know that James has 3 parts of the ratio, so you've got 3 parts in red and they're labeled with £3 each. And then you have Helen that has 5 parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they were all labeled with the sum £3 each as well. But in this case, we know that it's 5 parts for Helen and 3 parts for James, and there's £24 altogether. So when you do £24 divided by a total ratio of 3 add 5, which is 8, that comes to £3 each. So that's why we have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. The total amount is divided into 8 equal parts because 3 add 5 equals 8. Draw a rectangle with 8 sections divided into the ratio 3 to 5. Labeling the 2 parts with the names James and Helen. Since James' names comes first, he gets 3 of the parts as a 3 in the first number in the ratio, and Helen gets 5 parts since her name is second. So now we share £24 between the 8 parts by dividing 24 by 8 and put the amount in each part of the diagram, which is always already done for us. So how do we calculate this? So all we're going to do is we will do James gets 3 times 3 equals £9, and then Helen gets 5 times 3, which is £15. But apart from doing it in terms of representing in diagrams, there's a different way that you can also do it if you find this second way easier. So let me just show you how this is. So we know that Helen has the ratio 3. And James has the ratio 3. It's the other way around. My apologies. Let's just do that again. So James has the ratio 3. And Helen has the ratio 5. And in total, that makes 8 different parts. So because we have £24, we will now do £24 divided by 8, which gives us the answer £3. Now £3 per ratio. Now, because James's number is 3, so we will just do James 3 times £3, which will give us £9 altogether. And because Helen's ratio is 5, we will do 5 parts of the ratio multiplied by £3 again, and that will give us a total of £15. Okay, there's a couple of ways to do it. Either you can use a diagram or you can do straightforward equation. That's entirely up to you. Good luck with this, and we'll follow this up in our next lesson. Thank you.